Welcome back to another free online guitar tutorial from Kitaristi Tampere. This is Mika, and in this video I will show you and demonstrate you why it is so useful to learn those arpeggio shapes and the 3-note per string scales that I showed you in the previous videos. Because the reason is you can connect them really smoothly. And I want to show you and introduce you to a way that you can apply those chords, those arpeggio shapes and the scales with the 3-note per string modes. I'm gonna play over a backing track now, and what I'm gonna do is I play the arpeggio shape ascending, and then I play down a scale, and then I play the next arpeggio shape ascending, and then I play the scale downwards. And after that I will play a 3-note per string scale upwards and an arpeggio shape downwards. So here it goes. Now I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to ascend with a scale and descend with an arpeggio. I hope you saw the value and the potential in this assignment and behind those shapes now. If you want to learn how to really apply them in music context so that you can just burn up and down your guitar neck like crazy, be sure to get in touch with me. I teach guitar in Tampere. On my website www.kitaristitampere.fi you can get easily in touch with me, and I'm really excited to get to know you and hear about your progress and your challenges and frustrations that you might have. We can talk about guitars, whatever you want. So don't be shy, get in touch with me, we have a really nice conversation. I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, it's no use in hesitating, so start now, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and until then, see you next time and stay tuned.